Hello and good day. This is the daily analysis. The symbol for silver on February 2nd, after recording a historical peak, entered a bearish phase at the 121.647 level and has registered a deep correction. One of the factors behind the decline in silver prices is its high correlation with the price of gold and also the selection of Kevin Warsh as the next chairman of the Federal Reserve has created uncertainty within the market. Additionally, China's aggressive policies along with savings. The profits of institutions and financial banks have moved upward. The price of silver, which after that faced heavy selling pressure. Currently, the price has reacted to a fair value gap area and made a short correction. For a while, it hovered around the weekly IFVG zone, which has been refined on the daily and 4-hour charts. It is predicted that the price will make an upward correction, provided it is accompanied by bullish momentum. It may enter the 4-hour unicorn zone at the 826.61 level, and after that, continue its downward trend to record lower prices. However, if there isn't enough momentum for a bullish move, it could move downward from this very area, and if the price closes below the 71.53 level, it can target the next zones, where there is a liquidity area at the lower part around the 70.50 level. This is a liquidity pool that can attract the price towards itself, and after that, the price can move upward. It can then continue its upward movement. By analyzing the RSI indicator, we see that the price has entered a high potential zone, which indicates the continuation of the trend. The trend in the market is currently downward, if identified. If a bullish divergence is detected in the market, and if the RSI indicator fails to reach the oversold zone, this can be considered a confirmation for the end of the trend. There is a downtrend in the market, which we can use as an opportunity to enter a trade. Also, if the price moves downward, it can form a 3-drive pattern, and after that, by waiting for the price to close and identifying a XAGUSD, we can use it as an entry point to open a buy position in the market. By analyzing the 1-hour time frame of the silver symbol, we see a short-term bullish correction in the market, which is not accompanied by positive momentum. However, a XAGUSD has formed here, which suggests that the price may have a correction downward. It may react to the order block area and then move upward again, and if it is accompanied by bullish momentum, it can enter the order block area. The optimized 4-hour time frame, which is now 1 hour, could enter and collect the buy-side liquidity at the 8.8.539 level, and after that, it may have another correction downward. However, if it doesn't have enough momentum and faces selling pressure, it could also target lower price levels from this area and then enter a bullish phase. With the 15-minute time frame analysis of the silver symbol, we see the price movement during the Asian session, where it moved downward. During the London session, a liquidity grab on the sell side. It has accumulated, and if during the London session it moves upward and also collects liquidity on the buy side, it could be accompanied by a redistribution move in the New York session. But if during the London session it moves downward and enters the zones and goes lower, it could enter a bullish distribution phase during the New York session. Wishing you success and profits.